Hello everybody! In today's video I want to show you my minimalist spring capsule wardrobe. Now if you don't know, I do have an extreme minimalist wardrobe in general, which I usually use the whole year around, so I don't actually put things away I'm not using at the moment, but I wanted to show you the clothes that I'm actually wearing in spring. I think it's going to be about 12 items including shoes and outerwear and accessories, but with that said I think it's important to also mention that that is not me trying to tell you what's best for you. That is just an example, that is just how I handle it, and you are absolutely allowed, or you please should do what is best for you and your lifestyle. So let's go to my wardrobe. We're taking out the items that I'm using this spring, and I'm gonna share some outfits and how I wear them and why I have them in my spring capsule wardrobe with you in a moment. So this is my wardrobe, and actually I rearranged it yesterday. And if you want to see things like that, or just me sharing a few little snippets almost each day, then go follow me on Instagram. It's linked down below in the description to just see what I do on a day-to-day basis. So now we're going to take out the things that I'm going to use for my spring capsule. Now here we have like winter stuff, accessories in general, and the only thing I'm going to need, hopefully, is this hat. So that's something that I'm going to take into my spring capsule wardrobe, and we're going to put it on the bed here. Then I want to have all 3 of my sweaters in my spring wardrobe. The third one I'm wearing. For pants, I choose my linen pants. I'm going to wear them in spring. And also the ones I'm wearing at the moment. Also all 3 of my t-shirts, here are 2 of them, I'm wearing the third one, and I think that's already it. So let me show you what kind of pieces I have and why I chose them and how I style them to outfits. So I decided to rearrange the things a bit so you can see them better, and let me show you what we have here. So these are the 2 pairs of pants I include in my spring capsule wardrobe. These are my linen pants, especially for the a bit warmer days. These are my pair of jeans for all the other days, and I think 2 are enough because I can always wash the one I'm not wearing. These are my 3 t-shirts. I only own 3, so I wanted to include all of them because I think I need all of them. These are my 3 sweaters, and this one is a cotton sweater and these 2 are woolen sweaters, so I don't need to wash them a lot. Also, this is an organic basic sweater I have pretty new, like it's pretty new in my wardrobe. If you need something like that or other things from Organic Basics, check out the link and the code in the description below for 10% off. And so these are the sweaters I have in my wardrobe, and now this is my jacket, the jacket I use all year round because I actually only own one. I just have different amounts of layers underneath if it's spring, summer or winter. And this is my hat, also from Organic Basics, so check them out if you're interested in something like this. These are the only pairs of shoes I include in this wardrobe just because I only have 3 pairs, and it's not weather for sandals because my feet are always cold, so I don't choose to wear sandals if it's not very warm. And I also don't want to wear my winter boots right now because it's too warm for them. So these are the items, and it's actually 11 items, but if you want you can also always include my backpack in my wardrobe because I'm gonna use that at least for grocery shopping, and then it would be 12 items. Also, I did not define spring too much. I'd say it's temperatures between 5 degrees Celsius and 20 degrees Celsius. It's this in Fahrenheit, but that is just the time I will use these things. So now I'm going to show you a few different outfits and how I will style these things for this spring. First, I'm going to braid my hair so it doesn't come in the way of me dressing and undressing. Hopefully it's going to stay in its like shape. So we're starting off with what I'm currently wearing, which is my pair of jeans, my cashmere sweater and a t-shirt underneath. And if you're familiar with my wardrobe and how I try to have my wardrobe, you know that I always try to make it possible to wear everything with everything else. I'm going to show that to you in this video, and if you have a favorite outfit, leave it down below or tell me what you would do differently or how you style your capsule wardrobe this spring. So, and then of course I build this outfit up or down. So if I'm going outside, I add my hat and my jacket, and if it's a bit warmer, I might take off my sweater. And that goes for everything else. So I will of course wear my pair of jeans with all the different t-shirts I own. And I have to say the green one is a bit annoying because I think it's too short, or my pants do not rise high enough, and I talked about that in a video I link you here where I talk about the things that I wish to change in my wardrobe. And of course I also wear it with my third t-shirt, and of course I also wear all the sweaters on top of all the t-shirts with every pair of pants. So I do of course also wear this outfit with my cotton hoodie, and I do also wear it with my Organic Basics wool sweater. So that just goes for all the outfits in my wardrobe, and so you know what's coming now. I am also wearing all of these things with my linen pants. I just wanted to show you still because I think the outfits do look a bit different, and so changing the pants can have a drastic change for the outfit. So here we go. I do wear the Organic Basics sweater with this pair of pants. I do have to say I'm not super comfortable yet tucking it in, so that is what I'm trying to do here. And of course also it's the same. I'm wearing these linen pants with all my t-shirts if it's a bit warmer and I can go by without wearing a hoodie, as well as I will use my hat and my jacket if it's colder outside to dress weather appropriately. Again, also I can change the shirt and wear it with all different shirts. For that pair of pants, I think the green shirt isn't a problem at all. And for that pair of pants, I also like to always tuck in the t-shirts because I just think it looks a bit better, because it gives my body a bit more shape. Otherwise, because the pants is pretty loose fitting, I think I lose any kind of shape I still had before, and so I try to tuck in all the t-shirts. And of course I will also wear all of my sweaters with my linen pants. With these pair of pants I do sometimes tuck in my cashmere sweater, but if I'm just at home, if I'm not worrying about my body shape or anything like that, I also like to just wear it on top of the pants. And if I want to make it look a bit better, I usually tuck it in because I think it suits my body type better. With my cotton hoodie, I do not tuck it in just because it's that cropped, because about a year ago I cropped it myself. I can link you the video up here where I talk about and show you how I cropped this sweater, and it is pretty casual with the color difference and things like that, but I still like it, so I'm gonna wear it this spring again. I think that about wraps it up for the outfits I create. I just create every possible outfit from these pieces, and I do have to say I'm not getting bored, or maybe let's say it in a different way. I do not care that much if I'm repeating outfits. I think repeating outfits is really important for a sustainable fashion practice, and I think we should totally normalize repeating outfits and wearing the same things several days in a row or several times a week. So I'm definitely going to do that this spring, because as you could see, there are not enough outfits in this capsule wardrobe to have an individual one each day of this season. And I have absolutely no problem with that. You also see me wearing the same things all the time here on videos, just because I do have an extreme minimalist wardrobe, but that's how I choose to handle it, and I am happy this way. Let me know if you have ever done a capsule wardrobe and how many pieces you like to have in your capsule, what feels comfortable for you. Also, I know it makes a big difference depending on how your life is. If you go to an office every day, if you have small babies that tend to spit up on you, or if you have a job or a hobby like gardening where you just need different kinds of clothes. So let me know how you handle your wardrobe, if you have tried capsule wardrobes before and how you like them, and let me know if I should do more videos like this one. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. That would really help my channel and with the algorithm. And thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to see more videos right now, I'll link you a video and a playlist right here that you can watch if you have time and if you want to. And I also hope to see you next time. Bye!